Okay, when I thought about it, we're going to go back up on the stage, aren't we? Yes, we're going to go back up on the show. Have you thought about it? Okay, I'll think about it down there. Ah, you're eating me, then I'll eat you. Hi there, Woody. Hi there, partner. I'll call you Sally. Okay. There's not enough room here for the two of us. Maybe. Kryptonite! Kryptonite! I'll save you! And I just put that. I'll catch you! Woody caught me! Thank you, Woody. I'm gonna fly away from that kryptonite fast, Woody. So let me go! Okay. I'm gonna run away, Woody. Ooh. Crash! Okay, I thought about the idea. Okay, what is the idea? So, the idea is... What is it? I can't wait. I really want to play a game with you. The idea is hide and seek. Hooray! You count first up to 20. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. I found you. Ah, you were too quick. What are we gonna do? Oh, help you? Can you help my bestie? Sure. First, I'm gonna check her heartbeat. Heart's fine. She's alright. She just fainted. She just needs a bit of rest. Hey, partner, again?